Hey friends, what's up? Here's something amazing for you. You might have listened about it, but you have not have explored about it. The first thing is your education meal. You firstly get it in your college life, but you don't ever know how to use it. What's the use of it? Your education meal is the most important thing which you get in your lifetime from your college. What you can do about from it, it's unexplored even till today by you and by most of your friends. First of all, I will show you what are the basic benefits of it, what is your education meal can do for you, and more about that. First of all, what is your education mail? Your education mail is the mail which is assigned with your college name also, or your edu in the end of your mail. So first benefit of that is GitHub Student Developer Pack. It's basically for the most interesting and the most beneficial pack for you, with which you can earn money also. So first of all, we will explore the GitHub, and then we will one by one go to the another apps and the web and the most benefits of that. First of all, if you scroll down, you can see that there are different more benefits for that. Not only the GitHub usage or the GitHub platform. Here you can see there are more over that. First of all, there is Microsoft Azure, which is a virtualization platform where you can virtualize your machines, etc., and many more things. Second is DigitalOcean, which is a hosting platform. Third is Namecheap. If you talk about a business plan over it, first you can see you can do a blogging from it. First you do blogging. Namecheap is a platform where you can buy a domain for the 1 year and with the free of cost, and that domain you can use to build the website, and that website can be hosted on the DigitalOcean, and that is also for the free of cost, or the minimum charges to be paid. And if you scroll down and use the another options, there are more benefits like the editing apps, or the making the thumbnails, making the posters, making the or to promote your website on the social media, and etc., which will never be ending for you. And with that, you can see that there are learning also. You just select the domain or the profile. As we select here the learning, you can see what's open with this. Here you can see educative, Microsoft Visual Studio, and the front end masters. Here you can learn different skills, and moreover you can do amazing things. 1 month Tweetlo, data camp. These are the platforms where you can learn most of the things in your college life and explore that things and use it in the corporate world also. Here education never ends upon this. GitHub campus experts and do programming here, do your coding skills, better your that, and crack examinations papers and master the skills of coding. Then you can do the corporate tasks. Moreover, we can move to the another like marketing. If there are tools like for the marketing, they can be shown the free fresh paint, simple analytics platform, biometrics, app figures, and many in the other things. If we go to the designing part, there are some options like Bootstrap Studio, Iconic, Visme, which can be useful for you in the later parts of your website. So today I have discussed with you with the most important topics, and a business plan also for your college life. You can start even today and build a proper plan for your entire college life, and when you will be out of college, you will be a most irrespective and in yourself. So that's for today. I will come with another video in the next topic. Thank you.